And it's not easy. I would prefer to just have a private life that's private, but I think it's important and it informs who I am, and there's so many of us out there, and a large...
Police have issued an Amber Alert for a child who was abducted today at 2:50 p.m. from the Waverley Elementary School in the area of 68th Street and 89 Avenue, Edmonton. Noah Descharme is described as age 8, male, 4 feet, 70 pounds, short brown hair, wearing a dark green hoodie, light-colored jeans, yellow and black Nike prescription glasses. Noah was abducted by his mother Brianne Jall, described as age 31, Indigenous female, 5 feet, 7 inches, 180 pounds, dark shoulder-length hair, wearing a dark jacket, dark pants. They are now believed to be traveling in a 2002 Buick Century with Alberta plate MAE 903 in the Calgary, Alberta area. It is believed that Noah is in imminent danger. Do not approach the suspect. Please call the Edmonton Police at 780-423-4567 if you have any information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media. Approach the suspect. Please call the Edmonton Police at 780-423-4567 if you have any information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Tasty, if you want to learn more about Liberal leader David